7:41, and we're going to get started in this room. Day 3 of half bath remodel. Today I have to prime everything, so I'm going to prime this casing, this opening, this door jamb. I'm going to prime all the walls. I'm going to pull this down, prime the inside and the outside of the cabinet, and then while that's drying, I'm going to hop over and I'm going to probably sand the door, sand some trim down that we're reusing, and then I'm going to come back and then I'm going to put my first coat of paint on the walls, and hopefully I can get to these cabinets as well today. But there's something that's going on behind the scenes that actually affects on when and how we progress into this room in here. I'll show you really quick if I can just do this really quick. This is all a mess because it's all tangled up. But in order to get tile into this room, we actually have to continue it from the den out there and come in and actually go into the wet bar area. And then we can eventually make our way back into this half bath. So what Shelly is going to do later today, she's going to run these two courses. She's going to come down this hall, and then she's going to work her way into the wet bar area, or the old wet bar, Butler's Pantry. And she's going to come down into as far as she can, but she's going to leave like this open. She's not going to tile it down here so that I can have a little pathway to walk and not be walking on tile that has just been set. Then eventually, tomorrow, hopefully she'll get over to this side and I can walk on this tile that actually has been laid and set up, and she will continue into that area over here. However, we are not counting any of what's going on over in this hallway or in the Butler's Pantry as part of the work or the hours it is taken to get to this, because I can still work on this half bath while she's working on that. All that to say, I'm going to put you up here. Oh, look at that. Old drywall mud. Cool. You're going to sit up there. I'm going to start the priming process. So here goes just time-lapse video of some random guy remodeling a half bath. Hopefully I'll throw in some fun facts with you so that you're not actually bored watching a time-lapse. Paint is in there drying. Actually, it's dry by now. It just stinks really bad. So I thought I'd come out here and sand this door. It's not gonna be much fun, but it's part of the process. It's a good solid core door. It's not one of those hollow core ones. So let's sand it down and paint it. But we gotta get through all this varnish first. So that's what we're gonna do. So we stopped to take a break from the bathroom, or the half bath, so that Shelly could lay a couple of courses of tile. This is not counting against the time working on the half bath.
5:48. So it is 5:48. I think I totaled 8 hours working on just the half bath, doesn't count the hour that I worked on helping Shelly with the tile. So what we did is we got done, when did we get that today? These guys were primed inside and outside, and then I got the first coat of white on the inside. I'll come back tomorrow and put the second coat on. We put the first coat of color on this. Oh yeah, and we also did first coat of white on the door jamb. Sanded that solid core door a lot, so I still have to do all of the little panels on the inside, so I have to sand those down, rough them up, get that ready for paint. 8 hours today. That's what we did. Good day. Making progress. See you tomorrow.